Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Snapchat is updated and you are signed in. Once done, confirm your account verification so deletion options appear reliably. Next, open your profile from the top left of the camera screen and tap the Spotlight or My Spotlight area to list your submitted Spotlight snaps. This is the first actionable step. You're now viewing the entries you can remove. Make sure you're looking at the Spotlight submissions, not memories or stories, before moving on. Once you see your Spotlight submissions, locate the exact snap to delete and tap it to open. Then tap the three-dot menu in the corner to expose management actions. Choose Delete from the list. Snapchat will ask you to confirm to prevent accidental removal. Confirm the deletion, and the app will remove the Spotlight submission from public view. If the snap was also saved to memories, deleting it from Spotlight won't automatically delete the memories copy. After confirmation, check the Spotlight list to ensure the snap is gone. Sometimes it updates instantly, sometimes it takes a few minutes. If the snap still appears, force close and reopen the app, clear Snapchat's cache from settings, or wait up to 24 hours for servers to sync. If you still see the content, go to Settings, I Need Help, contact us to file a removal support request. One key tip: take screenshots of the snap ID or timestamp before contacting support to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.